Hello students, today I will teach you the another important activity of the farmers that farmers used to perform to grow their crop perfectly. Okay, it is the protection from the weed. Now for knowing the protection of the weed, we have to know what is the meaning of the weed. Weed means there are the presence of many undesirable plants that grow naturally along with the crop. This type of undesirable plants called weed. Now, what do you mean by the weeding? Weeding means it is a removal of the weed. When we are removing the weed from the crop, that time it is known as the weeding. And weeding is an important procedure that farmers have to perform. Okay, weeding is important because weeds all time used to compete with the crop plant. How it can be compete with the crop plant? In the following factors. See, water, nutrients, space, light. Okay, so if the weed used to take the water, nutrients, space and light, that means what will happen? It will create an adverse effect on the plant growth. So the weed removal is very important. Now what are the strategy to remove weed? The one of the strategy is that best time for the removal of the weed is before they produced flower and seed. So weeding can be performed when the plants are ready to give flower and seed. This is the best time for removal of the weed. Another thing is that manual removal of the weed by uprooting or cutting them close to the ground from time to time. This can be done with the help of khurpi. Okay, so the farmers are generally uprooting the weed from that particular field. Another thing is that there are the presence of the chemicals that can prevent the growth of the weed, such as 2,4-D. Another thing is that this weedicides should be diluted with the water and sprayed in the field with the help of the sprayer. See, here is the picture I am showing. The farmer is generally spreading the weedicides or the chemicals into the crop plantation area so that the weed growth can be eliminated. Okay, but the precautionary steps have to be taken by the farmers. What is that? The farmers have to cover their face with the help of a cloth so that the chemicals that are present in the weedicides cannot create an adverse effect on the farmer's health.